Burden gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say burden, y'all say gang. Burden, gang. Burden, gang. We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crown. What you doing?
Just checking to see how many we got in here.
Checking over potatoes. Girl, hush.
We're gonna get a few of them.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, what is that, baby?
That's where the peel will break it off at.
Won't you just grab? Well, you know what you're doing.
We got a baby one finna grow.
Oh, look.
See that like that? You can put that back in there if you want.
Girl, you heard Daddy talking. Now, what you say?
So you can put that back in the ground and it'll grow, keep growing.
Yep. Put that back in the ground. We're just getting some out.
Get my little thing to put them in.
All right. What you said?
Just get a few for us to snack on tonight.
Where you want me to put it?
Just a snack. Shut up. Shut up, girlie. It's wet down there.
It is.
Yep.
That's why you said give it less water, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, guys, these just keep growing. Keep growing. So, if you want to grab some out for the dinner tonight, shoot, make sure you leave some in there because they still going to grow.
Yep. I'll keep on coming through here, through the roots.
Through the roots. Harvesting potatoes. Red potatoes. We do things different. We don't do like the rest of the garden people.
Babies.
Oh, let me zoom in. We do it when we're ready. Okay, there go baby.
See, that one was too wet.
Yep. See, guys, when it's too wet.
The fuck potato.
That's a regular one.
Regular potato.
Yeah, so you can't let it get too wet.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys. You can't let it get too wet. Still got some good ones though. Babe pulling them out. Ooh, nice one.
Let that one make it.
Yeah, let that one make it. Make a good old potato salad or some potatoes.
So that's gonna get bigger.
Yep. Oh, there goes some. Oh, them still the red ones, so. Oh, nice. Look, that's a nice one. Chocolate hands. 6 itself. Oh, look, guys, look.
There go a regular one.
There go a regular one.
You wanna make those make it, or you wanna?
Yeah, let them make it.
This big one is holding the way it took that one.
Oh, took that one with it. Yep, it's still going. Yeah, but that's a root right there, baby.
Yeah, it's gonna keep going. Yeah, we may have to try some more, because we don't want them rotting out like that.
Like put some more in there?
No, I'm saying might have to get the other ones like this.
Oh, yeah, and check them out, huh?
Yep.
I got you.
That's my hood.
That must have been me doing that.
Okay, well, I think that was it for that little
That
bit.
was it. Wow. You gonna let them keep growing?
Yep, we're gonna put them back in now.
Look at you, baby. Sexy self. Go on, baby. Okay, let's sit on that one, guys.
This one here dead.
Okay, guys, we got another.
That
My
baby.
man over here dropping baby potatoes. Let me see how little it is. Look, guys, a baby potato. Wow. But yeah,
Put this back in there.
they be all like that. Hey, why don't you pull us up to that?
The roots got hard.
The roots. Oh, these might be some big ones. Look, guys. Oh my God. Now these the regular potatoes here.
Look, they's gonna grow again.
Oh my God.
Here go baby. Oops. 2 babies, 3 babies right
3
there.
babies. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side. Let it keep growing. Look, guys. Oh my God.
Babies.
Babies. Look, guys. This was still growing. Look. See, when it's like that, you can just pop it back in the pot if you want. If you ain't gonna cook it.
Yep, 'cause this is what you use.
Wait, I can't. Okay.
This is what grows. You can cut this to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make all them into different potato plants.
Yes. I know that's right. Wow, that's why it was so thick down there.
Right.
Oh, look at them roots, guys. Look at them roots. Oh my God. Look, guys, look. Really? Oh my God.
Look at all these coming out of this one though.
Oh my God. That's coming out that big one?
Yep.
This one?
Yep.
Oh my God. Okay, we want to
See?
let that keep growing. Let's let it keep growing, baby. Damn, it's a big ass potato. Let that one keep growing.
Got a potato skin.
Potato skin. Wow, that's the biggest we ever had.
Yep.
That we grew ourselves. Wow, that's what's up there.
Yep. So we should have been getting them other ones.
Right.
We're gonna have to
Keep on checking them.
Right.
Look at the babies. Wow, that shocked me. That was really huge.
Right.
Really huge.
Hmm.
It's another pot we had got. Did y'all see that big one? Oh my God. Mm.
You gotta keep it dry.
Yep.
We're gonna replant that one.
Okay.
Paused.
Whoa.
What is it?
Some bit me.
Careful. Let's see, can you give me a hand? There you go. Okay. Yep, the other one, new vertically.
Okay.
This one we had 2 kinds in. See,
Oh yeah.
this one's gonna get ready to grow again.
Right.
So we can cut that off and grow that.
Cut this off right here.
Yep, this piece right here, just cut it off. See those roots already there?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Guys, I gotta remember next time for me not to water it. Oh my God. Did you
Did
see
it
the
get it?
roots, guys? Oh, y'all see that?
See these? You just keep on planting them.
Them you keep on planting them, my baby
And
said.
they say they're gonna keep on growing like that.
Okay.
Put that one back too. Another regular potato.
Oh ho ho. Look, y'all. Oh my God, look. Look at them big potatoes.
See, and they steady gonna grow.
What'd you say?
They gonna keep on growing.
Oh my
As
God,
long as you
guys,
put this
look.
back in there, it'll keep growing.
Them things keep getting on me.
The little bud.
Yeah.
Okay, you see this one? Too much water.
Yep, too much water. My man in the garden, man in the garden. My man in the garden, yeah, he in the garden.
Okay.
Too much water.
Yep, that one ain't no good.
Yeah, I don't
We'll let
want
that
that
one
one.
grow.
Let that one keep growing.
Yeah, this one got more coming out of it. This was a red one too, see?
Yep. They was growing different. I didn't let them see.
Yeah.
Only let them see a little bit. There we go. Look, I got a little booty here.
Yep. See, these you can clip off, but
Yeah,
you don't have clippers right now.
yeah. I'll get the clippers in a minute. You want me to go get them now?
No, we finished what we doing first.
Oh, look, guys.
Another good one.
Oh,
It's finna go bad though,
right.
but it's still good.
Mm-hmm.
And it's finna grow more, so just pick them off.
All right. Whoa.
Yep. Plenty.
No going to the stove for us.
Not for potatoes, nope.
Nope, not for potatoes.
And we gonna keep on letting them grow.
Yep. My bae gonna put some back. Y'all big bro gonna put some more back to grow.
Yep, for sure.
Okay. Now my baby gonna work on this one next. Stand by.
And we did these with what, one potato or two? No, two potatoes.
Two potatoes.
A red one and a
Yep.
regular one.
We did all these with 2 potatoes. 2 of these, 2 of these. That's
No,
it.
one of these and one of these.
Oh, one
We
of.
cut it. Remember, I had out all of them like this.
Oh, okay, that's what it was. He cut them into sections, like you see this. He cut it. That's why I thought it was more.
Yeah. See,
And
it's
cut
gonna,
it.
just like this. This already. This how they gonna all grow, just like this. These little buds. You see it?
Yeah.
Them little buds gonna grow just like this. This your tree that's coming out. It's gonna come out. And it's gonna make a bunch of potatoes. This one we can take off. We can take it off and it's gonna still grow because it got all the roots on it. You want to keep them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Coolio.
Told y'all, my man is my teacher. He teach me everything.
Okay,
And it's
put
still
them.
some was on now.
Yeah. Well,
Look
that one,
at the potatoes, y'all.
we're gonna let them grow.
Okay. On to the next pot. Harvesting potatoes. Oh, you hear them roots cracking? Oh my God. Hmm.
Okay, we'll get this one.
Wow, guys, look.
We'll let that one make it.
Wait.
It goes.
Oh, okay. You gonna let them make it?
Yep.
All right. Wow.
We'll get that next time.
Okay.
What is it?
A bird. It's filling up.
Let those make it too.
Gonna let those make it?
Yep.
Okay.
We get them later.
Okay.
You ready to eat?
Yeah, I can't wait to clean these off and stuff.
Right.
Oh, yes. Thinking about making some into baked potatoes.
Look at that. See?
Oh, my God. You gonna let them? Yeah, let them make it.
Yeah, let them grow up.
Yep. Ooh, baby. Your hands are so sexy. My mouth watering.
Okay. This one, you want that one or what?
No, it's
Well,
connected. Let that keep going.
let me see if I can get him.
I ain't want you to.
Yes,
I ain't
I'm
want you
not.
to break it.
I didn't break it. It's still on this one. See?
Oh, okay, okay. You gonna let them make it?
Yep. We'll be getting them later on, a few more months, a couple of months, maybe a month.
Maybe a month.
Here we go. Last few.
Last few.
Want him?
Nah, let that keep growing. Look at all that goodness. Look at that. Oh, look in there. Ooh wee. That looks nice.
More growing up. Harvest.
Yep.
Okay, now make sure there's no junk.
Throw out the junk. Look nice.
Cool.
That's about it.
That's about it.
All right. Now, that's it, guys. That is it. We harvest some of our potatoes. Now, my baby just gonna put these 3 back so they can keep going. So, guys, yeah, this is Burden Gang.
We out.
I guess that's do it, y'all. Bye. Come back for more. Gang. Burden Gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say burden, y'all say gang. Burden, gang. Burden, gang. We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crown.